Good day, traders. Good day. It's 10:22. I finished early today, so I'll get this video out to you earlier today, which is a good thing. Oh, I gotta get some water. Anyway, since I got a message from Danny, I believe he's from Australia. I could be wrong. But anyway, so he's there. Oh, you missed one. and right after I finished the video and whatever, I seen what he was talking about. Okay, that's the UK session of today. Let's keep going back to yesterday. And I can show you the trade that I missed. So here it is. From right here, I believe, which was 10:10, somewhere from here, 10, right here, he goes to 10:50, which is right up here. And he named it from the candle to the candle perfectly. Anyway, like I said in the message there in the bottom of the yesterday's video, good spotting. It's good to see, one of my followers, come and watch the video every day, that he's seeing the divergence and he knows exactly the candle of entry of, where he drew the divergence from, which is 10:10 to 10:50, right? And that's 100%. Oh, right. There was also a bunch of trades on oil. There was a trade on oil too that I missed. It's hard to see them all. There's so many of them. Like today, it was awesome again. I did real well today in a short span of time. I tried to trade gold today and it didn't work and had a loss there. And I tried to do a hook down. Didn't work. Hold on a sec. I got to get some water. Okay, I'm back. So there's our higher highs on the chart. And lower, the opposite on the OSMA, and it's pointing down the line I put on the OSMA, meaning the price is going to come down. And did it come down? Here's the trade from yesterday. You little Lugan. Stupid thing keeps doing that. Okay. So anyway, your entry would have been right here at R2. I don't know if that R2 was there yesterday. It changes every day. They change, at the end of the day. So anyway, it was a nice winner. It was even a better winner than the trade that I did yesterday, which was right here. Okay, it was a winner, which had the double top, sell, down it goes, right? Higher highs, sell, down it goes. This is in the wrong spot, by the way. It needs to go right there on that one. On the opening of that candle, okay? Okay, ladies and gents, there, now you can see it better. Sell right there. Boom, take the profit. You see, that's one thing you guys gotta try and, remember each day. Don't be looking for a long move, a big move. It rarely happens. It goes right freaking back up again or right fucking back down again. You know what I mean? And I also know that when a lot of traders first come up, they're starting their trading, they do a trade and it loses, and sometimes you do another one trying to make up for the loss, and it's another loss, and then you do a third one, it's maybe you get a little bit of profit from that back, and then you do another trade and you're hoping it's going to give you back all your losses. And sometimes it doesn't do that, like I told you this other day. I said, if I do a loss at first, I'll always try and do the next setup I do. I'll always try and get at least back to break even. I don't try and hold on to the trade thinking it's going to go go a million miles up or a million miles down and give you your profit back plus, or give you your loss back plus a profit. Remember, the moves are very short, ladies and gentlemen. See? Up, and then we fucked around. See? Up, then we went sideways. Down, then we went back up. See? It's always a short little move. Especially when they do a fast move down, it'll go right back up again. Every freaking time. Okay, I just wanted to make that point. Okay, so that's the trade that I missed there, Dan. Right there. There you see it now on today's video. Okay, there were some other ones too on the oil. I'll have to see when I get to it. Okay, so here's today now. Oh, look at that double bottom down there. Oh my God, the entry was just a couple of seconds ago. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna make it just a little smaller. Okay, so here we go. The first trade of today. It wasn't down here because this is, you know, deeper in the valley than over here. So we would be drawing it pointing down and this pointing down. When both are pointing down, there's no trade. One's got to be pointing down. The other one needs to be pointing up to be divergent, my fellow divergence traders. Okay, so we have one amigo, two amigo, three amigos up here. And we have this coming down like this. And it's pointing down. See how it's majorly pointing down? That means it's going to go majorly down. No, I'm just kidding. It means it's going to go down. How far, how fast, how whatever? I don't know. I just thought I would throw that in there. Oh, it's really sloping down. That means there's going to be a big move down. I don't know that. Nobody knows that. That's being silly. I'm being a silly goose. A male goose. Yeah, those gooses there down in America, they better run. Oh, yeah, that's all I can say about that. Holy fuck. Actually, I'll tell you a story. This is a true story. I got to tell you this story. I went to this with my mom, too. It was that she was still, you know, with us, and we went to their buffet at this Chinese restaurant. And anyway, they had about like 100 different things to choose from. So I first went up, you know, I got my mom her plate because she couldn't carry it over the table, and I got my plate and I ate it, and then of course, you know, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. I went back again. I got some more. This time I picked some. It looked like meat, but it was really it was like a different color than meat. It was almost looked like chicken. The color, like the I don't know. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. Kind of grayish looking. And anyway, and it was really like rubbery, like a fucking big thick piece of rubber. It was like almost half an inch thick. And anyway, I was sitting there, and I was about to cut a piece, whatever. And I noticed, you know how you're sitting there, you know, you're not looking at anybody in the restaurant, but you know, you can feel, you can sense that there's these people looking at me. So I looked up, and these two waitresses, both of them they're looking at me like they're standing there. They're supposed to be picking up plates and stuff and taking it away. No, they're standing there staring at me. I'm going, what the fuck? And anyway, and I took a bite of it, and it didn't taste right. I could really smell it and taste the smell, whatever. It was so gross. I only had one bite of it, and I swallowed it. Yeah, I fucking swallowed it. And these waitresses still kept looking over at me, and they had these disgusted looks on their face. You know why? Because they knew what I was eating. Do you know what I was fucking eating? Cat. I was eating fucking cat. Because I used to work in this factory The name of it was called Custom Trim, and we used to cut the steering wheels out of leather and the seats and the gear shifters in this factory. And in this factory, there was a lot of Asian people who worked there from Laos. Have you ever heard of the country called Laos? Yeah, and they used to, have a delicacy. They would eat, what would they eat? They'd eat these eggs that the little baby chicken was, was, uh, was, still had the bones on it, whatever, and that's when they would eat it. I don't know. It's a delicacy in Laos. And I also talked to these other people there, and they used to, they said, this Asian lady, her name was Shanta. Anyway, I know I'm going into great detail here before, sorry, but that's just the way I am. It's a good story. So anyway, this lady Shanta, she told me, she's there, yeah, she's there. Just like people here eat cows, eat beef, she says, one of our meats is dog. They eat the dogs, man, and the cats. Just like, just like they were saying on the internet. That's all I can say. So anyway, that day I ate one bite of cat and swallowed it. And you know what? My stomach was sick for hours and hours until the acid in my stomach digested it and I swallowed, and it went. And I went out the back door the next day. But I was I knew as soon as I tasted it, and it was so gross, so disgusting. So anyway, yes, I am a human who ate, who ate cats. Yes, I'm a human that ate fucking cats, but only one bite. And let me tell you, never went back to that buffet again. Never. Oh my God, so gross. So that's a true story. That's what happened. And no, I didn't put any of this cat meat or whatever it was, or dog meat, on my mom's plate. No, I did not do that. I just tried it myself. And you should have seen them. They were all like, there was like three waitresses. It was funny. Like, there was like about, I don't know, 20 people in the restaurant, and these three people that work there, they're standing there just staring at me. Disgusted. Maybe they thought I knew what it was, No, I didn't eat the rest of it. I just pushed it away from me. I said, they came and they took it away from me. Like I think I went back for some more, whatever, stuff that I knew, like egg rolls and rice or whatever. And the lady came and she took it away because she knew what it was. Yeah, disgusting. So it's really crazy that they put that out in the buffet like that for their Asian friends or whoever they are making it for, to come and eat there. They shouldn't have done that because look, here's me that went and grabbed some of it. Oh God, so disgusting. Anyway, I had to share that story with you. Yeah, they eat cats and dogs in Laos, and not just Laos, in other Asian countries. Yeah, just like we eat beef, so it is what it is. Actually, my student Fook that I talk about here, he's from Asia. He probably knows about it too. Maybe he eats that too, just like we eat beef. Who knows? I don't know, but I didn't like the cat. Meow. I like cats. I like to pet the cat. I don't want to eat the cat. Oh God, this is crazy. Sorry I went off on this. This has nothing to do with trading. Okay, so let's go back to trading. So here we go. Here was the higher highs divergence, okay? And we went down max potential, 218 ticks, okay? And then we had a double bottom here. I did this trade, okay? We had a double bottom right here. Was it perfect? No. Am I perfect? No. Are you perfect? No. But it is divergence, see? right up like that. I bought in here. I didn't buy here. Then it came down. But I bought in here. Thinking, hoping, dreaming, whatever, that it was going to go up. And it kept stalling and kept stalling and kept stalling. I got out with a small little loss. And then after it came down like this, and I looked and I said, oh, you bugger. Let me put the arrow on there. Let's not try and get away with that's a trade setup right there to buy it. But it went bad, and it went bad quick. Okay? Yeah. Here's this one. Okay? We'll get to that one. I just grabbed the arrow wrong. Okay? Right there. I sold it, and boom, took profit down here. It was fucking awesome. It was so good. It was so good. And then we had... Wait a minute. Hold on. Where is this trade? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, we can draw it right to that top, just like that. And down here, it's right here. Okay? Right there. Boom. And sell there. Boom. And look what we had here. Another double bottom. Yeah, double bottom. Can't be. Another one? Can't be. Oh, it can be. Sarah, Sarah. See? Right there. Entry right there. Boom. Up it went. You want to see the potential that was? I'll show you. So say you got in right there. No, the stop would be right there. Okay? So it would have been around 100 ticks to the pivot. The pivot's right here. It's probably going to go back up now. Yeah, see? There. There. It almost hit it. So that is, see? Hidden divergence to sell it. I done that trade and got out with good cash today. That's why I'm so happy. And I told you my cat story. Holy fuck. I think they closed down that buffet now. They closed it down. But I couldn't believe it. It stunk. Oh, it stunk. I can't believe I ate a piece of it. It's just like, oh, and I was sick for like 2 days. Okay, so anyway, you can see that trade would have worked, right? From here, if you held on. Okay. So all the trades, we have a set. Oh, I forgot, see? I forgot to put the arrow up there. To sell and to buy, and it didn't go far, so it was a bad one. Then we had a major big one. See how they kept getting people buying. And then they fucking ram it right down your throat. And if you're on the wrong side, you know what that means. Okay? So anyway, that's it for the NASDAQ of today. For today. It's also a higher close right here, even though it's a little one. But look at how it went way up here. I'll show you this one. Yeah, one of these. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Now, all the higher close candles that you see the setups on, it doesn't mean that a little one like this, as long as it's a higher close, you can sell it and down it goes. That's it. Okay, so that was the NASDAQ. And now we need this here. What do you call it? The S&P. Wow, look at this fucking chopping shit. I was thinking of trading this today, and I gone, I better not. I don't know why. And I didn't trade it, and I'm glad I didn't, because look what it did. Chop people up. But anyway, we had this one trade in here after it went sideways. Right there. Oh, it's the candle before it. The opening of this candle here. I'll make it bigger so you can see. See, right here, cross down right here. If you would have sold it, your stop would be right here at the tip of that wick, and down it goes. I'll show you the potential on it. The major potential that could have been taken from this trade, not that you would have got 44 ticks, but that's how far it went down in that one 2-minute candle. Well, actually, no, three 2-minute candles. So anyway, I don't see no fucking trade in here. Well, I guess maybe there is one. It would have been messy to trade it, though. I'll show you right there. So right there. There. Should line up somewhere around there. And you would have sold in here, and boom, down it went. Probably at the exact same time as on the NASDAQ, too. And that's it. And then it turned into this, you know, disaster shit right here. They just want to mess with all the good, innocent traders. But it gave a couple nice trades today. Oh, I didn't mark that, did I? This here. Basically like this. Like that. Okay? So then, now we'll look at... Where the hell are you? Over here. Gold. Okay. So we want to first look at, it was gold, it was oil yesterday that had all the major trades, right? Yeah. We got to open this up to full screen here on the MetaTrader. Okay. It was the 5-minute yesterday, right? Yes. So I want to show you in here. What did I forget? I marked it in there, right? Oh, where's the line? And you knew that I put the line on here. You can see it's slightly going up, so it's divergent. So why didn't I put an arrow there? See, I missed that too yesterday. You might see me do that sometimes. I'll forget one line on the bottom, or I'll forget one line on the top. You know, shit like that, or forget to put the arrow, or, you know, stuff like that. Because there's so many trades, and you got to check out all the setups of it, and, you know. See, so there's that one, see? And it was a nice winner. Got long there, went up 30-something pips, retraced, went up to 50 pips, and it went even up to 62 pips to the top. Okay, so we covered that. That's the one other thing I just wanted to show you that I missed yesterday. Okay, so let's start where we're supposed to start on the 5-minute NASDAQ. Let's see, look at this. Ooh, look at this. Did we have any trades that worked? We did. We did. Right here. And definitely right here. Down like that. This is the NASDAQ 5-minute, ladies and gentlemen. We had some good trades here. Somewhere you would have jumped in here as it, like, I always usually try and get in if I see price coming down rapidly. Once it breaks these wicks in here, that's where I would jump in. And down she goes. And here is I get to show you now. Higher. Oh. Not this candle, but this one, the closest one to the 5. right here. Higher close right here, not this higher close because it's too far. Here, let me make it bigger. See this one? It's too, the higher close, it's too far from the 5. But is that the one? It's so big, it messed up my eyes. Like, oh, it's this one right here. That's this one. Sorry, I was mixed up there for a sec. Anyway, higher close, right there's a higher closing candle. The next one on the open, you would have sold it right there, and it went down. It first went down 20, and then it came back up here, and I think it went down here. That would have been 30. Then it came fucking up here. That was crazy shit. Those crazy traders. Anyway, 2 sell trades, and they both would have worked very well on the 5-minute. And what about over here? It's looking here. Oh, look, I'll show you. Higher highs at the beginning of the UK session, and right on there like that. Let's get that arrow. Right there somewhere. You would have sold it, and boom, it went way down here. And there's another trade. Look at this. Holy fuck. Hold on. Come here, you little bugger. You got to go right there. See that? And you would have got long. This is the 5-minute NASDAQ. Right there. And we are just looking at, oh, come on. We were just looking at setups in the UK session. It was 3 a.m. right here. Beautiful trade came down. Look at that. And then down here, we had divergence again. Buy, up it goes. Beautiful trade. And then these 2 sell trades and this higher close trade right here. NASDAQ was good on the 5-minute last night, ladies and gents. There you see it. Okay, let's look at the S&P now on the 5-minute. See what it told us. Oh, look at that down there. Awful. What I mean by awful down there is right in here. Awful. Just awful. Poor people got chopped up in there. Okay, there's some more trades. More and more trades here. Double top. This is the 5-minute S&P, ladies and gents. Lots of setups today. Lots of setups. Right there. Okay, right here, this divergence with this divergence. Lots of beautiful trades, man. Lots of beautiful trades. If you didn't make money today, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. So good. Trades were so good. Always got to remove these lines from yesterday. They love to stick on here like glue. Something like that. Sell in here. And down it went. And then it quickly came back up. This is probably another double top up here. Not a perfect one, but a good one. Just gotta use your imagination that it doesn't always have to be perfect where the right side comes back up to the same level as the left side. of the chart, right? It doesn't. Okay. There it is there. And we could put it right there. How do you like them apples? There. There she be. Got to have a little imagination and creativity to spot these divergence setups. And you would have sold it here, and down it went. How much did the S&P go down? 17 points. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the Dow. What did the Dow do? Is this the 5-minute? Yeah. Oh, I see the trade. I see it. There it is. See? Divergence. Divergence. It was divergent. Would have got short there. Boom, and down it goes. 17 points like it says. Okay, that's the one trade for that. I'm not going to mark this in now too. Okay, pound dollar. Oh, look at that little hookup there, eh? 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Okay. See, right here, you could say, yeah, low and lower low, but look, see, on the right side, it's deeper than the left. So there's no divergence there. But what I do have to show you is a lower close, buy it, and up it goes. How do we know to buy? Do you know the answer to that question? Because the 5 EMA, this right here, come on, trying to see if it'll light up. There it is. See, 5 moving average, EMA, is above the 7 EMA. And if you bought dips in here all the way up, how do you know to buy and not sell? Because the 5 is above the 7 all the way up. All the way up, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. And let me show you the divergence here. Just take it to that one. And from here to that one. Really nice trades today, ladies and gentlemen. Really nice trades. This is hidden divergence, which I call in my course hard to see divergence. Why do I call it hard to see? Because it's very hard to see it. That's why. Yeah, I have in my course, I have a few different classifications. I have hard to see divergence, easy to see divergence, bearish and bullish. And I have double tops divergence, double bottoms divergence, higher highs. Well, no, I never called it that. That's the same as the easy to see bearish divergence, the higher highs. And the lower lows is the easy to see bullish divergence. So there's those classifications. I also have grade A and grade B setups in my course, okay, that I don't really show you here, okay? And there's other things with the moving averages I don't show you here. You know, it's entirely up to you if you'd like to see everything that I have, you know, that keeps working day after day. I tell you, it works so good. I can't fucking believe it myself. Every day I come here, I can't believe my eyes. It's just like, I can't believe it. It's like, it can't be. It's doing it again? Can't be. Can't be doing it again. But it does. And it does. And it does. Okay, I'm doing lots of talking here. Do you think I'm going to forget this This higher high, Dano. No, I'm not going to forget it. Here it is. Higher highs and lower high, lower low, whatever on the indicator. Okay, that's this here pointing down is for this trade, meaning the price is going to go down, which it did. So somehow you would have sold somewhere in here, and look, it's still coming down. There you have it. So this is the pound dollar. That's on the 15-minute time frame. I'm not going down to the 5 because there might be a couple more setups there. This is good enough. Buy here, up it went. Like, look, you would have bought right there. Max potential, 35 pips, right? If you would have bought here, you know, here was 58 pips potential. You had some good trades. And even this one here, if you jumped in right here, you had like 23 pips potential so far. Okay, so let's move on now to the euro quickly. Yeah, we could look at this on the 5 right here, lower lows. You see on the 5 or the 15-minute, you can find nice setups, okay? There's one over here too. I don't go to the 1 minute unless it's a really tight range, you know. Something like that. Well, it's a little far. Oh, how about right there? Yeah, that'll still work. And we can put some... No, I don't want that. What am I looking for? I lost my way again. Okay. Right here. Sell it. And buy it somewhere in here. I don't know where, and it went up. And oh yeah, here's one. Right from there to there. Double top. Right like that. Beautiful, beautiful. And so you would have got short right on the opening of this blue candle. But if you didn't get in there, you could wait for the higher close candle and get in right here. And down it went, straight down. Let's see, how many points did it get? Maybe 25? 26. That was a good guess. I was off by 1 pip. And trust me, I never measured that before until just now. All right. Long video today, huh? Sorry. I had a little meow story to say. Yeah, we eat beef. They eat, you know what? You know, that's it. Different places, different cuisine. Yeah, different cuisine. Okay, that is good enough for the euro, pound yen. Let's look on the 15, and make it easier. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Right there, like that. Look at that. Yeah, easy, eh? Easy. Easy to mark out. All the way to the top. 178 pips, ladies and gentlemen. If you only took it up to here, 118 pips. Let's see, is there something over here? Oh, for fuck's sure. For fuck's sakes, yeah, for sure. This is from yesterday. So right in the Asia session, you could have sold it short right there. It's just such good divergence. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's pointing down. The line is pointing down. That means the price is going to come way down. And that's what it did. That's what it did, my fellow traders. Boom, sell. Okay, and down it went a total of 136 pips right to there. And look what we have here. We have higher highs. Again, I didn't design this market. It's just, it does what it does. And here's another trade. Hold on, right here. Here's another one, hidden divergence. I'll put the arrows on. Just hold on. Just give me a chance here. It's just, there's so many fucking trade setups. It's just beautiful. It's like a beautiful thing. It's so beautiful. Okay. Where do I put the... Oh. Right here. Buy it right there. This is hidden divergence. Right here. Buy it right here. Up it goes. Yeah, it went down 136. And this one went up 154 pips. This is the pound yen. Or if you did this trade, you know, it went up. It was all good right in here. All good trades. Trending trades. Okay? Let's take a look at the euro yen. It's probably the same as the... No, it's not. Oh, 15. Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. There's one here, just like on the pound yen, and it came back and it went up, and yeah, I'm not going to mark anything on this chart. There was a good trade here to buy. There was a good trade up here to sell. It was all good. With a lot of higher close, sell it down it goes, higher close, you know, higher close up here. All awesome sell trades all the way down. And then right here we had, oh, I got to show you this. We had what I call a hookup. So you would have bought in there and it went up 40 pips right there. There's a double top or triple top, but it didn't really go anywhere. Maybe it will after though. Okay. So then we're going to look at, I think we already looked at it. No, oil? No, we didn't look at oil today. Wow. Yeah, lots of good stuff today, folks. Okay. This video's getting on. Okay. Okay. Just like that. And you would have got long right in there. If you held it all the way up here, there's 90 points right there. And what do we have in here? I think we have... just like that. We have hidden, hard to see divergence. I keep wanting to say hidden because I know that anybody that knows about divergence, they call it hidden divergence. I call it hard to see divergence. That's why I go and say both of them each time, because I know most people know it as hidden divergence. If you have my course, then you know I call it hard to see divergence. Okay. Right there like that. And with this one, you would have gone in right here. And if you held it, even if you just went up to this point, there's 50 points right there. See it? Or ticks on oil. Okay. Let's take a look at gold now. I wonder if it did anything cool. All I know is I tried to trade the fucking thing. I sold it right here, hoping it was going to go. I think it was right here. Let me see. I sold it, and it went straight up. I can't remember when. It was somewhere in there. It was like 100 ticks, too. Basically 100 points, I guess you could say. It's hard to read this thing, gold. It's crazy. So anyway, I say that a lot, eh? So anyway, if you want to count them up, let me know. I'll try not to say it anymore. Oh, shit. Okay. I don't know. I don't see anything. I don't see anything to buy it here. I don't really see anything to sell it unless we do a strike through. strike through, just like that. Yeah, this will work. And you would have sold it in here. Went down 50 ticks. Yeah, it went down after after I lost on it and closed the trade. And then I went back to my NASDAQ and made real good. Did real good. Okay, let's get on with this, Jason. Let's finish this. We're almost done. Okay, so that's all the important markets that we look at, which is gold, oil, NASDAQ, S&P. Those are the 4 major markets people trade. Why do they trade them? Because it fucking moves. It effing moves. You want to go trade other things? Well, weird things can happen. Do you know the behavior? See, I don't know the behavior of gold. That's why I lost on it. As soon as I went back to my NASDAQ, boom, okay, right there, boom, I did the trade, boom, I did another trade, boom, both winners. But if I was to come back to this damn gold, I would lose again. Yeah. Trade. My suggestion to you, I'm done now trading gold. It's trade what you know, which is whatever is your favorite, market to trade, whether it's the NASDAQ or the S&P. Do you know the behavior of it? Yeah. Then trade the market that you know, and you know its behavior. You'll win more so that way. At least I'm telling myself this at the same time. I'm not trading no more fucking gold. I'm good. I know it moves good and whatever at times. It's just, it doesn't. Some days it has awesome divergence, right, Fook? Yeah, yeah. And some days it doesn't. It's crazy. Anyway, I lost on that gold trade I tried to do today. I did. I made good on gold yesterday, though. Okay, so anyway, let's see. We're on the 15, right? Let's see. I don't know if this would work. I don't know. We'll call it like a bottoming. This is like a bottoming formation right here. As soon as this candle took off, and up here, it closed up here, it was telling you, hey, hello. Hi there. It's saying hi there. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. It's telling you we're getting out of this chop shop shit right in here. That's what it's telling you. So if you did buy it here, it went up 90 points, okay? And yeah, that's it for those markets. And then we'll look at Bitcoin. Oh, it's come down a little. XRP's probably come down too. Yeah, came back down. Little buggers. Silver, still hanging out up there. Ethereum, yeah, it came back down a little. And that's pretty much it for the markets. Once again, I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening. And if you like the show, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And that's it for today. Good luck and good trading.